Sanibona.
Sanibona. Welcome to another fun isiZulu lesson. Today we are learning how to pronounce 10 common food items in Zulu. Can you guess how to say bread or milk in isiZulu? Stay till the end for a fun food related challenge. I will say each word, teach you the correct pronunciation, and you can repeat after me. Also, our girls will be joining too. Let's get started. Uphuthu.
Uphuthu.
Uphuthu is crumbly pap. If you want to know what uphuthu is, check this video that I've got on the screen. Uphuthu. Uphuthu. Now you try and say it. Ushukela.
Ushukela.
Ushukela is sugar. Ushukela. 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 Now it's your turn to say it. Ubisi.
Ubisi.
Ubisi is milk. Ubisi. 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 Now it's your turn to practice saying ubisi. Imbuya.
Ibuya.
Imbuya is wild spinach. Imbuya. 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 Now it's your turn to practice saying imbuya. Iklabishi.
Iklabishi.
Iklabishi is cabbage. Iklabishi. Iklabishi. Now it's your turn to practice. Inyama.
Inyama.
Inyama is meat. Inyama. 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 Now it's your turn to practice saying inyama. Ukotapeya.
Ukotapeya.
Ukotapeya is avocado. Ukotapeya. 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 Now try and say it on your own. Iqanda.
Iqanda.
Iqanda is an egg. Iqanda. 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 Now try and say iqanda on your own. Isinkwa.
Isinkwa.
Isinkwa is bread. Isinkwa. Isinkwa. isinkwa, isinkwa, isinkwa. Now you try it. Ithanga.
Ithanga.
Ithanga is pumpkin. Ithanga. 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 Now you try it. Good job. Now you know how to say 10 food items in isiZulu. Keep practicing and try using these words in your daily life. Also try using one of the food words in a sentence. For example, you could say, I love milk, and that is ngithanda ubisi. Comment with your sentence below and I'll reply. Also, let me know which food item you have at home right now and try to write it in isiZulu. If you enjoyed this lesson, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of isiZulu lessons. Ngiyabonga. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Siyabonga.